Are you finding that your Roborock S7 robot vacuum can't clean properly and keeps showing error for like this? And you're not sure what you should do to fix it, and you would like an assistant to help you in this matter? You don't have to worry. We've got the solution you've been searching for. Our customer came to us with a Roborock S7 robot vacuum that couldn't clean properly, constantly returning with error 4. So they asked us to find a solution. Let's check the robot vacuum. To investigate further, we tried turning it on and it keeps saying error 4 cliff sensor error, and then we diagnosed the problem. It was a faulty cliff sensor. OMG! Look at this broken cliff sensor. If the cliff sensor is in this condition, it's no surprise that the robot vacuum won't work. So we recommended a cliff sensor replacement. But that's not all. We found more issues, a faulty bumper and dirty internals. So, we also recommended bumper replacement and a deep cleaning service. Afterward, we asked the customer to approve the recommendations, then we started fixing it. The moment of truth. Cliff sensors return to normal and the robot can work at maximum performance. After returning robots to customers, we find that they are satisfied because the robot vacuum is working at its best now. Are you having the same problem? Let us be your solution.